Hi, my name is Rue, and in this video I want to show you how to achieve really good looking curls with the use of flaxseed gel. So in this video I want to refresh my curls. At this point it's like maybe 5 days that I haven't really styled my hair. I just want to show you how I refresh my curls even after not washing it for a couple days. Stay tuned to see how I refresh my curls after 5 days of not washing. Okay, I'm going to split my hair into sections. This is just going to make my curl definition a lot more pronounced, and honestly it's just easier to do, to refresh my hair in sections. So here we go. Yes, yes. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna probably just air dry my hair or wrap it in this little microfiber towel. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna start diffusing my hair and I'll show you what that looks like. And I'm using this Xtava Black Orchid diffuser, I think it's called. I just kind of like go over my hair like this to see how it's like already just plumping up a little bit. As you can see, I have some really cute curls that I can just wear throughout the day or for tomorrow. I do plan on washing my hair in a couple days, so this should probably last until then. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!